This, in my opinion, is why the horizontal above the head spiral is easier than the vertical spiral. When you're doing a vertical spiral, no matter which way you're going, if you miss where the string wraps on your hand, so if it wraps too far to the front, it's very easy for it to do that, where it falls off the tip, right? Whereas it's very, very, very difficult to wrap too close to the tip as you're up here because of gravity wanting to make it fall down and go around your either palm or your wrist. And I think even if it does go around your wrist, right? So even if you're right, and then you can easily exit and you're good. If you have basic competence with the spiral but inconsistency in your vertical plane, it's entirely possible it'll be really easy to do in the horizontal plane, and you wouldn't expect that because it seems like it'll be much harder. I think it's all about the stack of the hands at this point. So if you think about it like this and you're coming around to the left, if I show you from the back view, what you'll notice is the right hand comes on top and the left hand is back behind. If you mean the left hand is posterior and the right hand is anterior, yes. If you just move your hands down like this, if you want to check your work, it would look like this with your left on top of your right. Here's what you can also play with. Imagine that you are going to come into it, then you exit with some sort of turn, so that you can feel the energy of what it's like to do the exit. Instead of practicing starting from down here and going up, I think that's unrealistic. You're not really gonna be down here. At least start here at something closer to like chest or shoulder height, because realistically that's much more likely where you're gonna be. Or start from this pirouette where you have it out and you're just doing that. And then you can do these guys too, which are fun, either with this turn in the middle where you're reversing, or where you're here doing this without the turn, which is the equivalent of this over the head.